Hello everyone. Today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. Windows 11, Microsoft's newest operating system, is packed full of enhancements and features that are quite useful. So coming up to help you get the most out of using Windows 11, I'll show you tips, tricks, and features you'll want to use to improve your overall experience using the operating system. Let's get started. When you first launch Windows 11, you'll notice the Start menu and taskbar icons are center-aligned instead of being located on the left. Personally, I think this looks a lot better and makes it more convenient to access your Start menu and pin programs with less movement of your mouse. But if you're someone that prefers the old layout with the Start menu and pin programs aligned to the left, right-click on an empty space in your taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Scroll down to the bottom of this page and click Taskbar Behaviors. Let's scroll down some more. We're Taskbar Alignment. Click the drop-down. You have two choices. Click on Left. You'll now notice that the Start menu and pin programs have been moved to the left. As I said, I now prefer the center alignment, so I'll switch it back. Microsoft has made a change in Windows 11 that has annoyed quite a few people. When you right-click on a file, it will now only show you what Microsoft deems to be the most important items in the menu. Now, if you want to print or access other choices, you must take the extra step of clicking on Show More Options. And what shows up? Looks like the old right-click menu. Some people have also been unhappy that Microsoft has removed the ability to pin selected folders to the Start menu. Well, you can still add folders to Start, but only those that are system folders. To add system folders to Start, open the Settings app. In the left pane, select Personalization. If you need to scroll down to Start and select it, then click on Folders. For those of you that want to see folders when you open the Start menu, toggle the switch on for each. You may need to choose from. I'll turn on Documents, Downloads, Music, Pictures, and Videos. When you're done, close out the Settings app. Now when you go to Start, you'll see those folders you turned on. To the left of the Power button, while we're on the subject of the Start menu, you'll notice apps pinned by default by Microsoft that you might want to get rid of. To unpin any app, right-click on it and select Unpin from Start. On the flip side, if you'd like to pin any app to the Start menu, click on All Apps, find it in the list. After most use the listed in alphabetical order, click on the header for each numbered or lettered entry to quickly jump through the list. When you find the app that you'd like to pin, right-click on it and select Pin to Start. Click on Back. If you don't see it listed, scroll down and you can easily move any pinned app by left-clicking on it and dragging it to where you want it. A new feature shown in another one of our videos is the ability to arrange any open windows on your screen. To snap any window on your screen of your cursor over the resized Maximize button in the upper right, you'll see various snapping templates. Select the zone within one of the layouts listed. Then select the other windows you want to snap to the layout. This especially comes in handy if you're on the laptop or any PC with only one monitor. Just like previous iterations of Windows, Windows 11 also has a secondary Start menu, sometimes referred to as the secret Start menu. To open it, right-click the Start menu icon, or you could use the keyboard shortcut Windows key +X. Here you can access your power options, Device Manager, Windows Terminal, Task Manager, and a whole lot more. Widgets and chat can't be unpinned the same way. You right-click on them does nothing to remove these from your taskbar. Let's open Settings. Here on the left, choose Personalization. Scroll down and select Taskbar. In addition to Search and Task View, clicking the searches for widgets and chat will remove them from the taskbar. Widgets is actually kind of useful, so I'll turn that one back on. Earlier we were discussing Focus Assist to selectively decide to turn off or set a priority level for notifications. If you find the notifications in Windows 11 just to be way too much, you can turn those off altogether. So let's go into Settings. In System, select Notifications. Notifications are turned on by default. Clicking on the switch will turn them off for all apps. You can also turn off notifications individually from apps and other senders as well. If you want to give your eyes a break, the dark mode and night light features are still available in Windows 11. To enable dark mode, let's open the Settings app. Any left pane, select Personalization, then Colors, and choose your mode. Click the drop-down and select Dark. That is so much better if you want to give your eyes more of a break. Let's enable the night light by going to System and Display here at the top. Click on the switch for night light to turn it. Before they go to bed, sleep better if you click into night light. You can set the strength of the blue light filter, and you can also schedule a time for it to automatically turn on and turn off. Themes are still a thing in Windows 11 and not too much has changed to select a default theme. Right-click on your desktop and select Personalize. Those that say Premium are also free and contain 4K images to download and install it. Click on Get. Thanks for watching. If this video is useful for you, give it a thumbs up. If you have a tip or trick for Windows 11 you'd like to share, let us know about it in the comments. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe and ring the bell so